If you use photo filters, this will look familiar. This won't. Introducing Xume adapters. Finally, a quick release system for your photo filters. Simply insert a lens adapter. You'll hardly know it's there. Next, insert your most used filters into holders. Now, use the filter you want on the lens you want when you want. Perfect for polarizers, ND filters, and variable NDs. Keep a holder on your collapsible lens hood. Get more use from your Koken filters. Pop your regular lens cap into a holder to use when you don't need a filter. Your filters will stay put until you remove them. But we suggest you always use a lens hood just to be safe. Xume. There's nothing like it.